everyone, welcome to another ballet variation tutorial. Get ready, put your shoes on, and let's get to it. Okay, let's begin with the first sequence of the variation, and for that you're going to move all the way to your right because we are going to be moving a lot to the left. So go as farther as you can to your right. Fifth position, left leg in front, hands on the hips, no arms coordination yet. We're going to do demi-plie, season to the side, moving to your left side, and right leg is going to end in a développé. So it's gonna look like this, développé. One more time, left leg in front, demi-plie, season, développé. Okay, we are gonna keep moving. My right leg is going to do pas de main tendue in front, facing the left diagonal in front, a step, and with your left leg you're going to do assemblé, battu, right leg ends in front. Next we have passé, plié, one simple pirouette that ends coupé on the back. And this is our first sequence, so we are going to repeat that 4 times. Okay, so let's repeat everything from the beginning one more time. And remember, if you have a lot of space, you can do it very big, but if you don't have that much space, do it as me, very small step and very small assemblée. Okay, let's get to it. Fifth position, left leg in front, 5, 6, 7, plié, développé, and step, assemblée, passé, plié, one pirouette, coupé to the back, fifth position, keep going, développé, a step facing the left diagonal, assemblée battu, right leg in front, passé, plié, one pirouette, coupé to the back and repeat, développé, a step in front, battu, assemblée, passé, plié, one pirouette, coupé on the back. Last time, one in front, assemblée battu, passé, plié, one pirouette, coupé to the back. Okay, so let's move to our second sequence of the variation. We move all the way to the left because we just finished a simple pirouette. So after that simple pirouette, we are going to open in front of us and do a tombé, coupé on the back with left leg on the back. From here, we're going to do petit développé relevé, facing the right diagonal in front of us, plié with leg en l'air, with leg in the air. Next, we are going to do relevé, passé, plié, with my right leg on the back on arabesque. And we're going to do pas bourré, plié, piqué arabesque. And that's our second sequence, and we are going to repeat this 3 times, moving all the way to our right side. Let's do it one more time, slowly, from the tombé on the back. Tombé, coupé, left leg on the back, petit développé, plié, relevé, plié, right leg on the back. Pas bourré, plié, piqué, arabesque, left leg on arabesque. After you finish that arabesque, you're going to step in front with the left leg and repeat everything by doing petit développé, plié, passé, plié, pas bourré, plié, piqué arabesque, and step in front, fondu, plié, passé, plié, pas bourré, and we run. And our last sequence of the variation. So after we finish the last pas bourré, we are going to run, and we are going to do sauté arabesque, starting with left leg facing the left side. Sauté arabesque, a step, sauté arabesque to the right, demi-plie, left leg in front. We are going to do 4 passé alternant, only left leg doing passé. So 1 and 2, 3, 4. We are going to step with the right side and we begin again. Sauté arabesque, but this time we begin to the right side. And that's it. So let's do it again from the beginning, slowly, one more time. Demi-plie, right leg on the back, pas bourré, and run, and get ready to do your sauté arabesque, and to the right, sauté arabesque, plié, left leg in front, 1 passé, 2 passé, 3 passé, 4 passé, go to the right, sauté, to the left, plié, right leg in front, passé alternant, 2, 3, 4, we go to the left, sauté arabesque, sauté arabesque, sauté arabesque, and we go to the diagonal to begin the end. Run, turn, 5th position, and wait 1, 2, 3, pas de bourrée in front, really quickly, fast, arabesque, pause, left leg in front, right leg on the back. Okay, so now we have arms coordination. Let's begin by doing left leg in front, fifth position. We're going to do Sisson développé, same arm, same leg, a step in front, assemblée battue, same arm, same leg, passe relevé, same arm, same leg, one pirouette, same arm, same leg. Easy, right? Let's do it from the beginning. We are going to begin in classical pose, croisé, right leg tendu to the back, my left arm on top of my right arm, allongé, torso slightly forward, 5, 6, 7, plie, petit développé, and step, assemblée, passe, plie, one pirouette to the back, and repeat again, développé, step, left leg, left arm, right leg, right arm, right leg, right arm, and again, one step, passe, pirouette, plie, développé, step, battue, passe, plie, pirouette. Okay, so let's keep moving with the arms coordination. Second sequence, and the arms coordination, we are going to keep the same arm, same leg. So tombé coupé, left leg on the back, left leg in front, demi-plie, petit développé, arms in second position, right leg in front, we're going to do plie, passe, arm in fifth position, second arabesque, pas bourrée, plie, arms go fifth position, first position, first arabesque, and we just repeat everything. Let's take it from the arabesque, a step in front, petit développé, plie, passe, second arabesque, pas bourrée, plie, petit arabesque, and step, fondu, plie, fifth, second arabesque, pas bourrée, plie. Okay, so last part. After the last pas de bourrée, we're just gonna run with arms on allongé, run, 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 run. And we are going to do saute arabesque, and arms can either be here or here, doing first arabesque. Which one you prefer? That one is the one you're gonna use. So, saute arabesque, plie. We're going to move up, 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 and up, and again, arabesque, saute arabesque, plie, same arm, same leg, same arm, same leg. We're going to do left side, 1, 2, 3, and we go to the diagonal to begin the end. Arms, fifth position, pas de bourrée, don't stop, open allongé. We move, 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 move. Piqué, first arabesque, final pose. Okay, so now we're ready to repeat everything from the beginning. Arms and legs coordination, no music yet. Let's go all the way to your right. Croisé, right leg on the back, left arm on top of your right arm, allongé, torso slightly forward. 5, 6, 7, plie, and 1, 2, 3, 4, passe, 5, 6, 1 pirouette, 7, plie, and again, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plie, 2 more times, 5, 6, 7, plie, last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tombé in front of us to the left, same leg, same arm, and we are going to do petit développé, plie, passe, plie, pas bourrée, plie, arabesque, and step. 2 more times, petit développé, plie, pat, ure, run, 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 go. Left leg in front, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to jump to the right. Left side, 1, 2, 3. And we go to the diagonal. Wait, wait, slowly. Allonge, and move forward. Arabesque. Pose.